Whereas today, Fairfax County celebrates Earth Day and Arbor Day, which are observed by more than 1 billion people around the world each year. Now, therefore, be it resolved that the Fairfax County Board of Supervisors, on behalf of all residents of Fairfax County, does hereby proclaim April 27, 2019 as Earth Day, Arbor Day in Fairfax County, and urges all residents to avail themselves of opportunities to protect and preserve the environment through education, partnerships, and positive actions. Thank you.
This is the 49th year of Earth Day. We're very excited. We are celebrating the ways that you can be a better environmental steward in Fairfax County and beyond. Clean Fairfax and the Park Authority have been working together for 7 years to put this event together. This is a great event to bring your whole family. People tend to stay most of the day. I anticipate between 4,000 and 5,000 people coming out today. Park Authority pulls out all the stops. The Frying Pan Park is here with their baby animals. The Virginia Native Plant Society is here to talk about the importance of native plants. Clean Fairfax is here to talk about how to keep your community clean, green, and sustainable. The Beekeepers Alliance is here. We have some great vendors and exhibitors.
Well, our activities that we have are rotting logs, focusing on decomposers and their importance in helping in the forest ecosystem, in breaking down trees, plants, and thus becoming part of the food chain in the forest.
If there was one thing that I could ask for people to take home with them is that you don't have to do these huge steps in order to be more environmentally conscientious. You know, using single-use plastic bags at the grocery store. Take advantage of all of the things that Fairfax County has to offer and really appreciate the nature that's around us, because we're really very lucky here.